Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best portable gas grill you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so never miss an update. We all enjoy cooking, but doing so in a standard kitchen can be tedious. Grills are great invention for adding some spice to cooking. One of the most enjoyable moments in life, going out for a picnic with family and friends and cooking a delicious meal outside. Cooking with a gas grill is more enjoyable, and while they are simple to use, they can be costly. People prefer portable gas grill because they can take them on picnic and other outings. So we have compiled a list of the top 3 best portable gas grills that you can purchase based on your specific requirements. This list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started our countdown. On number 3, NOMADIQ Portable Propane Gas Grill. The NOMADIQ is a black gas grill with a small footprint. When it comes to gas grill, one of the most important consideration is portability. This gas grill measures 14 inch by 16 inches by 5 inches and weighs approximately 12 pounds. Because of its size and weight, the gas grill is very portable. It runs on propane gas and has a cooking surface area of 226 square inches. Small things have always been difficult to clean, but this gas grill is very easy to clean, thanks to its removable cooking grate and the fact that it is dishwasher safe. Pros of NOMADIQ Portable Propane Gas Grill: large grilling area. Second, design is simple and elegant. Third one, temperature control on 2 levels. Cons of NOMADIQ Portable Propane Gas Grill: no covers and it's expensive. On number 2, Coleman Road Trip 285. If you want a gas grill that cooks well and easy to transport, the Coleman Road Trip 285 is a good choice. The Coleman Road Trip 285 is 30.2 inches long, 19.2 inches wide, and 16.1 inches tall. This gas grill has a primary cooking area of 285 square inches and 3 burner that can deliver around 20,000 BTU per hour. This gas grill also has an electronic ignition system, a cast iron and porcelain coated cooking surface, and it runs on liquid propane canister fuel. Pros of Coleman Road Trip 285: setup is simple. Matchless lighting starts with a push of a button and easily transportable. Cons of Coleman Road Trip 285: not as durable as a full-size grill. In comparison to full-size grills, it's underpowered. On number 1, Weber Q2200. This compact gas grill is ideal for small gatherings. The Weber Q2200 is a liquid propane grill with a grill area of 280 square inches, which is not the largest, but it's still a powerful gas grill capable of reaching temperature of 500 degrees. For some buyers, the price of gas grill may be a little high, but if you want a great grilling experience, this is the grill to get. Pros of Weber Q2200: side tables with plenty of space, high quality construction, and split grate that is simple to maintain. Cons of Weber Q2200: it's quite heavy. There is only 1 burner. So guys, this was the video about the best portable gas grill. How was it? If you know any other best portable gas grill, be sure to let us know in the comment down below. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment, like, hit button, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much.